This is a Huawei MatePad 11.5, and today I would like to show how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So first you will need to launch whatever search engine you prefer to use. On this tablet the default search is Pedal, so I'll go with it, but doesn't matter which particular engine you'll go with yourself, as long as you type in the Fortnite APK query, not the Fortune, Fortnite APK. Then among the search results, look for the official epicgames.com website, or Fortnite.com will do just fine. Either of those two official websites are good. Then tap the download now button. The following page will automatically start the download as long as you confirm it, of course. So do that, download the file. Then allow the Pedal search or any other browser in your case to install apps. Then install the Epic Game Store. Launch it afterwards. Then enter the Fortnite game page here and tap at the install button. Now let's wait for the game to be downloaded first. Prior to Fortnite actually being able to be installed, as you can see, the system asks that we grant the Epic Game Store with the same install unknown apps permission, so do that. Install the Fortnite, then once it is successfully installed, you can go ahead and launch the game. And the final step is for you to simply wait for the Fortnite to download all remaining updates and resources. And once this it's a pretty major update since it should be like 6.3 gigabytes or something. Yep, it's 6.31 gigabytes in size. Regardless, just wait for it to finish and then you will be finally able to start playing the Fortnite. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.